Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE declares Class 10 Second Board Examination Results 2026. Overall pass percentage rises to 96.78% after combining main and second exams, with over 3.08 lakh students improving their performance and 52.40% of compartment candidates qualifying under the new to-board examination system introduced in line with NEP 2020. Students can access results through DigiLocker. For complete statistics and post-result details, refer to the official CBSE press release. NTA rejects candidates' allegation of OMR sheet discrepancy in NEET UG 2026, confirms official record shows 44 unattempted questions and verifies score of 164 marks, warns that forging OMR sheets or circulating false claims about public examination records constitutes an offence under the Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Act, 2024. CBSE and NCERT organize orientation workshop on new Class 9 Mathematics and Science textbooks, training 110 teachers from CBSE, KVS and NVS schools as master trainers on competency-based pedagogy, experiential learning and holistic assessment aligned with NEP 2020 and NCFSE 2023 to support effective curriculum implementation across CBSE schools. Delhi eases rules for opening private schools, replaces Essentiality Certificate with Self-Certification System. Applicants can now self-certify compliance with RTE norms, including infrastructure, safety, teacher qualifications, and the prescribed pupil-teacher ratio. Karnataka government plans to ban sale of junk food in and around schools, including burgers, pizzas, and other unhealthy foods, to promote healthy eating among students. State also plans to upgrade food testing laboratories and strengthen food safety regulations. Delhi government issues show cause notice to a Janakpuri private school after inquiry. Reveals serious child safety lapses, unauthorized branch operations and alleged financial irregularities. School given 7 days to respond, failing which the Directorate of Education may recommend government takeover, cancellation of its land lease and criminal proceedings under the POCSO Act and Juvenile Justice Act. Amid demands for his resignation over NEET UG 2026 paper leak, Education Minister meets NEET UG 2026 All India rank to Panchul Bansal, praises his achievement and expresses confidence he will contribute to India's healthcare system through excellence and service. NEET UG 2026, NTA warns criminal action against fake, AI-edited OMR sheets, says fabricated documents cannot alter official records. IMD issues red alert for heavy rain in Himachal Pradesh on July 20th to 21st, schools closed in Chamba, Kongra and Mandi as state goes on high alert amid flash flood, landslide, cloudburst and waterlogging warnings. Tamil Nadu medical colleges transform MBBS training with high-tech simulation labs. Students practice emergency care and surgeries on advanced medical mannequins before treating real patients. IIHM launches the Global AI Hospitality Education Council, bringing together educators, universities and industry leaders from over 60 countries to develop a global framework for responsible AI integration in hospitality, culinary and tourism education through curriculum standards, ethical AI guidelines, faculty development and cross-border academic collaboration. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.